There are times where you just walk into a shop, you're looking for something, maybe you already have an idea of what you're looking for. So in some cases, you may not really have an idea of what you're looking for. You're just looking through the shelves to see whether you like what you want, and maybe the shop attendant walks up to you, showing you items, describing, explaining, telling you how good those items are, and then you go ahead and make payment. You purchased that product or those items. The law is saying that, look, that if you buy anything by description, that the product you have received in your hand must correspond to the description that you were given in the shop. The same thing applies online. You buy anything online and that thing is now mailed to you. It must correspond with what you have received. What you saw online must correspond with what you have received. I know that in reality, I've had this situation where a sister bought something, a blouse online. By the time she received it, it was entirely different from what she saw online. But you know, knowledge is power. She didn't know better. But now I'm bringing it to your screen so that you know that the person whom you are buying from, that seller that you are buying from, owes you that duty to ensure that what you have seen in his or her page corresponds with what he or she will mail or transfer or deliver to you. Now, it will not stop it from being a contract of sale. If maybe you bought it during a period when that seller is conducting sales and displayed all the items, so long as there are descriptions on it, so long as you have made the reference to labels on it, it means that when you receive those goods, there must be correspondence. They must match with what you have seen. They must match with what you have been told that those goods are. The reason for this implied condition, the reason for the law taking this position is why? Because the law is seeing you, the seller, that you have sufficient knowledge about that product or those goods, and that it is with reliance on the knowledge and skill that you, the seller, have displayed to the buyer that made the buyer come to that logical conclusion that, yes, I want to buy this product, and actually went ahead to make payment, which is the price for those products. Now, it is to protect the interests of that innocent buyer who is relying on your knowledge, who is relying on your skill to buy a product. This is Xivial Law Essence. Here we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version